How much is corporation tax? Brought to you by Boogles Bookkeepers. Please do subscribe, like and share the channel. So this video we're just going to take a quick look at corporation tax, all about corporation tax. Okay, so corporation tax is a tax that affects limited companies only, and this is just for the UK market. So companies pay corporation tax, individuals do not. Companies pay corporation tax. How do you file your corporation tax return? You go online to hmrc.gov.uk and you register for the corporation tax filing service. When is it due? So it is due 9 months after the year end. So if your year end is the 31st of March, corporation tax and the tax return is due end of December, 31st of December. If your year end is the 30th of June, then it's due 9 months later, end of March. Letters from HMRC, which are reminders telling us, remember to file your corporation tax return, are normally sent out to you shortly after the year end. So if you've got a year end of the 31st of March, some point early April, you're likely to get a letter from the HMRC just to say, hiya, remember, file your corporation tax return. Then you might get another reminder in a couple of months' time. Now, the thing is, HMRC are trying to get away from the paper, trying to save some money, so you might start getting email notifications. So if you've registered for their service, chances are you'll get an email notification within your inbox there with the government to say, just reminding you, file your corporation tax return. Now, in addition to filing the corporation tax return, you also need to file the accounts with Companies House. So you file your accounts with Companies House. They're another government organisation but a separate entity, and you file the same accounts with HMRC, and with that, by them looking at your accounts, that is where they calculate your corporation tax amount from. Easiest way to do it is to do it at the same time, kill two birds with one stone, and do what's called a joint filing. You log in through your HMRC portal, it gives you the option, do you want to file with Companies House and HMRC? You say yes, you upload your, well, not even upload, you have to fill in your accounts one time, and it sends it off to both organisations and also tells you what your tax liability is. So here's an example how it works. So in order to come up with how much you have to pay, what we do is you have to take your profit and loss figures. So let's just say you've got income of 100, sales income of 100, you minus your expenses, let's say your expenses is 70, that means you've made a profit before tax, you made a profit, a net profit of £30, 30,000, whatever, 30. You pay corporation tax at 20, well, I've got 19% here, sorry, keep saying 20, at 19% on your profit. So if we figure that out, whatever this amount is correct anyway, it's your tax, and then your net profit after tax is 24.3. In 2020, that was the main rate, 19% it says here, but just be aware that the rate of corporation tax can change, and normally it does change in April, but sometimes it stays at the same amount, 19-20% for a long time. So just double check what that is at the moment, depending on when you're watching this. So that's just, a quick overview explaining what corporation tax is. If you don't have a limited company, then it's not a tax that affects you. Just, you don't have to worry about it. Any other questions, do email them in to admin@Boogles Ltd. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe, like and share the channel.